can't see that bark.
I'm gonna bark and hear it. Puppy.
Probably gonna go tweet
Come here. Buh. Buh. Such a weird sound. Buh. Stop fucking with my dog. I'm just kidding. She likes it. Look at her. I like how she still keeps that thing in her mouth.
It's like that guy with the cigar that's not talking. The cigar's his son.
Yeah.
I wish I had a cigar so I could sit there and do that. Wouldn't smoke it, just have a cigar.
Yeah, that's all that matters.
Doesn't half the time it's not even lit. It's just a cigar in the mouth.
She will not stop staring at you.
No, she's good. Well, to be fair,
Shut up. It's not her fault. Oh, you're so cute.
Come here. Come here.
She really didn't like that one.
I will not come here. You come here. I'm coming back for my toys and then I'm leaving.
She's so stupid.
She did. She came back in the room
Hi.
and did a rawhide and then left.
Ooh, she's fierce. She hates guys. I don't know what's wrong with her.
This chow today where we were working was creeping